Here's how to find and replace a name or even any text in an entire workbook in Google Sheets. So we have Andy here and we want to rename this to Andrew. But we have some other pages that have Andy amongst. We have Andy here and Andy here, amongst other names. So let's do Command F and find Andy. But this Andy is only found on the page that we're on. So how do we find and replace Andy on the entire workbook? We're going to click the three dots here next to More Options. And here we'll have another modal. It says Find Andy, replace with something else. Here we can add any text. Make sure you do add text here or you'll be replacing Andy with literally nothing. And make sure we want to search all sheets. And we can click Find. This will find the next one. Even if we go to the end, it will go to the next page there that finds Andy. So we can click through this a lot and see Andy is a lot of places. Now, if I actually want to replace every single Andy on this workbook with Andrew, all I have to do is click Replace All. If I want to just do a few, I can click Find, and whichever one I'm on, I can click Replace. I can keep clicking Replace, but also I can just click Replace All. It'll ask me, this will replace values in all sheets. Are you sure? Okay. And then it'll actually tell me how many instances and across how many sheets Andy was found. Now, if Andy is in a formula or this text is in a formula, we also want to select this search button, also search within formulas. But you may not have to do that if you're not using any formulas. We can click Done, and we can see Andy has been switched to Andrew everywhere in the entire workbook. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets, make your Google Sheets better, subscribe here on YouTube. Better Sheets on YouTube.